In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy drawings between futures contracts in Tradingview. If you roll contracts or switch symbols often, you don't have to redraw everything from scratch. Here is a simple, reliable way to bring your trend lines, zones, and annotations onto the new futures chart, so your workflow stays consistent. First, open the Object Tree panel. This is the master list of everything you've drawn on the chart trend lines. Rectangles, text notes, and more. Viewing your items in the object tree makes it much easier to manage a busy chart, because you can see each object by name and select exactly what you need without hunting around visually. Next, select the drawings you want to move. You can pick individual items or highlight a group depending on what you plan to bring over. Be intentional here, only choose the elements that are relevant to your analysis on the next contract. Keeping it clean reduces clutter and ensures your copied set is meaningful when it lands on the new chart. Once you've got your selection, right-click and choose Copy, or use the standard Ctrl+C shortcut. Copying from the object tree helps confirm you captured everything you intended. If you realize you missed something, just add it to the selection and copy again. Now switch to the new futures contract chart. Open the chart for the updated contract month, or the symbol you plan to trade next. Give the chart a moment to load fully so your paste action places the drawings accurately in time. On the new chart, right-click and select Paste. Or press Ctrl+V. Your drawings will appear in the same time locations as before, carried over with their original styling, colors, and thickness. This preserves the structure of your analysis and keeps your visual language consistent. A quick note, drawings may require small adjustments due to price gaps between contracts. Futures contracts can have different price levels at rollover, so a rectangle or trend line that aligned perfectly on one contract might sit slightly above or below the area you intended on the next. This is normal, simply nudge anchor points so they align with the same swing highs, lows, or zones on the new contract. Focus on the underlying structure rather than the exact price level from the prior symbol, and your analysis will remain valid and readable. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.